guys, Alex here back with another video, and today I'm on NBA Live Mobile, and I'm going to be doing a pack opening. And yesterday I told you guys I was going to be doing it on the 4th of July, and I was going with my family, see the fireworks, and I was cookouting, yeah, and I have 25 packs, and my team's not that good right now. So let's see, so I have 14 Pro Packs, 1 Campus Elite Player Pack, a Throwback Elite Player Pack, League versus League Pack, 2 NBA Award nominee, two NBA Award nominee packs, 2 NBA Award Pro Packs, Pro Packs, NBA Award Legend Pack, NBA Award Winner Pack, and NBA All Defense Pack, and I have a 91 or higher. So let's get into the Pro Pack. Junior. This is Porzingis. Julius Randle. We're not pulling nothing good so far. Holy heat up, guys. If you guys haven't subscribed, subscribe. Pro-Pack token? Oh, those don't go in there no more. I thought they did. Wizard Board. I don't think we're gonna pull any fire from the Pro Packs, guys. No, we're not. It's okay. This is the last one. Can we clutch it out, guys? Oh, Corey Joseph. So I'm gonna do the League versus League pack, guys. And if you guys want to join my league, it's Warrior Nation. Actually, my brother is Pedro Campo. Yeah, so you guys can go subscribe to him too. Full pass, Andrew Iguodala. Oh, Dwayne Wade. I'll update my team so it doesn't keep saying update team. I get low now. Oh, Hicks. Oh my god, not a Dwayne Wade. So we're going to NBA Award Legend Pack, guys. Going for Bob Crosby. NBA Award Winner Pack. NBA All Defense Pack. And we're gonna go into and 91 overall. What are we waiting for, guys? 92 Kyrie Leonard, guys. And hope you guys enjoyed that video. And yeah. And subscribe if you guys haven't. And see you guys later. Peace.